Love it all the track.
Hey, thank you.
Look who is on the track, guys.
I like your program.
All right,
your
thanks.
program.
Roger Hewitt. All right. Roger Hewitt. And also on the track this morning is Mr. Fender examining the track this morning. Good morning.
Perfectly.
How is the track looking now? How it
Nice.
feels underfoot?
Nice, nice. And I know by Saturday, when the final preparation, we should be having perfect track for the perfect race day, the Winston Fanner Griffiths Day. You know what I mean? And that is why I took it out of my itinerary to come this morning to have a look on the track, see how it's feeling. Watching the horses working perfectly. Nice. I like that, you know. So I will be later on giving you, based on the program, what I think and how I think we will fare out on Saturday. Yes, good morning. A very good morning to all our supporters of the Caymanas Punters Paradise. And this week feature, this week feature races is going to be one of joy. Now, I just want to say Basha and Daddy B, our other host, is not on this week. So, as you can see, me alone have to take care. And, I have to make Michelle feel very special. And this is special. All right. On the race card this Saturday, um, we it's very interesting. Mainly because Winston Fanner Griffith, our legend, it's a special day for him. And, the Caymanas Punters Paradise is have it down as a big, big feature day. All right. You all know that my style is my style, and I like a particular stable that I think is going to be performing at a high level. And hear what I'm saying. The stable is the Gary Subrati stable. And as you all know, in the season top 10, Gary Subrati is actually number 3. So he's doing pretty good. And I am saying that I see he has 4 entries on this Saturday card. And I think I like I like the entries, and with the jockeys on Omar Walker. Omar Walker, as you know, 6-time champion. He's not getting much good rides of late, you know. But one thing I can say about Omar is working hard. I can say I see him in the mornings, and he get to the track here pretty early. So Omar is going to be at his best come Saturday. And the other thing I want to mention is that there is a jockeys challenge races on the card this week. Welcome to our international invitee jockey. His name is A. Boca Chica, and I know of him. I think he had written here before, and I'm hoping that I am right on that. But he will be on the card also this week. Tevin Foster, our leading jockey that is poised for the championship this season, is also riding for Gary Subrati. And also the general Esmir is also in the saddle on one of Subrati's horse. Sensational move is also Radish Roman. And as you all know, Radish and Tevin, they are battling down for this year championship. And I just want to say it again that Affair in the first with Omar Walker. In the seventh, you have Blood Moon, Tevin Fast. In the eighth, you have the General Esmir. And in the ninth race, sensational move with Radish Rome. And I want to just close on to thank all supporters that is spreading the word, building the fan base of the Caymanas Punters Paradise. And I'm so happy about that.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Fender.
Yes.
Big up yourself.